Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 28th of November, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Apple technology and beyond. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. General Motors has stirred up quite a bit of controversy by removing Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from most of its electric vehicles. But fear not, a new aftermarket solution is here to save the day. White Automotive and Media Services is offering an upgrade kit that brings back these beloved features to select Chevy and GMC EVs. This kit promises a seamless integration, allowing users to access their favorite voice assistants and display navigation on the instrument cluster. However, the installation is currently limited to one dealership in Michigan, and the costs remain undisclosed. GM's initial decision to remove these features was met with dissatisfaction, especially as competitors continue to support them. The introduction of this kit might just be the temporary fix customers are looking for. In the realm of smartphones, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro has made its debut, priced at $999. This new model boasts a larger 6.3-inch display and a 5x tetraprism zoom camera, features previously exclusive to the Pro Max model, all without a price hike. The iPhone 16 Pro shines with improved battery life, lasting over 14 hours in web surfing tests, and enhanced camera capabilities, including a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens and advanced video recording options. Powered by the A18 Pro chip, it's one of the fastest smartphones on the market. However, it retains the same slow charging speeds as its predecessor. New features like Apple Intelligence show promise, but aren't fully available at launch. Overall, it's a strong flagship option for power users, though those with the iPhone 14 Pro might want to wait for further developments. For augmented reality enthusiasts, AirVis is a new social networking app that's making waves. Designed for 3D artists and designers, it allows users to connect with a global community, explore a vast library of high-quality 3D assets, and share their own creations. The app features tools for scanning real-world objects into AR models using iPhones equipped with LiDAR sensors. Users can build a portfolio and receive feedback from peers, fostering collaboration and creativity. AirVis is free to download and requires iOS 17.6 or later. The app's developer assures users of privacy, as it does not collect user data. In a thought-provoking commentary, Zephyr Teachout argues that Democrats need to reassess their relationship with big tech. She highlights that despite attempts to maintain close ties, tech companies have increasingly aligned with Trump and his administration. Teachout criticizes the Democratic focus on the mis-disinformation framework, which has diverted attention from the real issue of corporate power. She suggests that anti-monopoly politics could be a winning strategy for Democrats, as voters grow more opposed to corporate monopolies. Teachout calls for a re-evaluation of the relationship with big tech to protect democracy and the Democratic Party's future. ClearSpace is a productivity app designed to help users reduce screen time and combat phone addiction. It offers features like blocking specific apps, setting usage schedules, and engaging in challenges to promote healthier digital habits. Users have reported positive outcomes, such as reduced impulse openings of social media apps. ClearSpace is available for free with in-app purchases and is compatible with iOS devices. It aims to empower users to reclaim their time and foster a balanced digital lifestyle. Lastly, we have CoachDaniel, a new running app that enhances your training experience with real-time pacing feedback through audio cues. Utilizing advanced AI technology, it analyzes your running performance and helps you stay on track to meet your workout goals. The app offers personalized plans and integrates with Strava for seamless tracking. CoachDaniel is available for free and requires iOS 17.6 or later. It aims to make running smarter and more efficient, guiding users step by step towards their fitness goals. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.